Good morning. This is Seamus. I thought today I would do an unboxing of something small, but something really charming and fun to use. This is called the Buddha board, and I'll go into it a little bit more, but primarily it's an art tool. This is a small portable version of a larger version I also have for doing some Sumi E painting. Now, normally Sumi E is usually done with paper and with ink and with brushes. But the Buddha board allows you to do it with brushes and water, and then it disappears. It's a very, very fascinating but delightful little tool, and brings me a lot of joy. But I decided to get the small version, so here it is. I have not opened it. This is the first time I've had a chance to do this, so I think we're going to take a look at it and see what is in the box. So I picked this up off of Amazon. I think it was $16. So there it is right there. And I got the black version. So we'll just take that and slide that off to the side. That is it. You can tell that it has the emblem. Oh, there is the emblem right there. This is a meditating Buddha. And there it is. All right, let's move that out of the way. So there's your Buddha board itself. Comes with a little booklet. And I tell you how to use it. There's a small brush. And I do have another larger set of brushes. It looks like they give a couple of stickers. And I think that is it. And primarily what you do is this, I'm trying to remember how this works. Let me take this one out of here. Probably just read the instructions because I have not used this particular Buddha board before. But yeah, it just looks like it just sits into this little groove. There's a small little, well, I guess that's just primarily it right there. The water goes right down into this small trough right here, and then you can just dip your pen and do that. So very simplistic, very fun to use. Just to give a slight demonstration, though, just to break up this a little bit. And that is primarily it. I'm just using a little bit of wetness here to demonstrate, but that's what it does. It creates marks with water. It stains the board, which it dries, and then you can continue to reuse it. If you notice, it's starting to dry already, and these will disappear within a minute or two. So if you make yourself a nice painting or picture, take a photograph with your cell phone, and that way you can save it for later and be able to have a record of what you did without causing any stains. There's no ink. You don't have to worry about any of those things, which is really nice. So it's a fun thing to do. I'm just now getting into Sumi E again. I did play with it a little bit back years ago, but I have not had a chance to do this again. And in between my shakuhachi training and learning, I thought I would take this up. That's why you see a shakuhachi piece underneath. But anyway, just thought I'd do a small little unboxing review as to what this was like. Again, Amazon is where I picked mine up. You can get them at any art store. They're going to range anywhere from $18 for this brand to $30, $40, $50, depending on the size of the one that you get. But I thought I would show this today. Thank you so much for watching. As you'll notice, if you are a ham radio operator and been looking forward to more ham videos, I will be doing more. But I just took a small detour to do a little bit more when it comes to not only my photography, but some shakuhachi and some art. Throw a little bit of that onto the YouTube channel. So if you like the YouTube channel itself and enjoy these videos, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And hit the bell icon if you want notifications when there's another video. I will be doing a lot more videos over the summer. It's been kind of a lull over the last few months. Been super busy with work and with life. But looking forward to posting more videos soon. Thank you so much for watching. And 73 is from Seamus and 7MYW.